question. How does one know? Like, what's the, let's say, goal line, borderline, where, for example, one says, "Oh, I have imuna," right? Or let's say, "Oh, I want to learn in Kollel," versus in reality, he's too lazy to get a job. When do we know the line? Like, how do we know someone's actual mentality?
Mm-hmm. So if learning in Kollel, it means that he's serious person. So meaning that he's ready for this sacrifice. Not everybody are ready for the sacrifices.
Okay, so understood. So with the Kollel, I'll phrase the question a little differently. How do we know that he actually wants to learn in Kollel versus he doesn't want to work and it's better for him to read a book?
Exactly. So you talk to his rabbi, to his mashgiach who knows him better, basically. Understand? Because it is a serious question, and everybody must ask this question. How serious that person is. Okay. So, all right, continue. We good? Continue? Okay. So if you think that I remember where we were, okay, 139 we did. However, with regard to with the blessing, so we said that that's the order of the curses. So a person would be confused. But we said that now time is maybe different because, as we said, people are richer, they can spare money, and they have these laws that spare money. Okay, however, with regard to the blessing in Shmuel 18:14 states, and David was thoughtful. 140, what does it mean? The Targum translates this thoughtful as successful. That's what, through that translation is more appropriate, though this translation is more appropriate, with the context of the biblical passage. Rambam understands the words as closer to the literal meaning. Okay. The Rambam intends to associate to success is byproduct of thoughtfulness. So basically success. So if you plan your life correctly, according to the Torah, so it's more likely that you will be successful. You understand? If you go and marry a girl because of her beauty and you did not investigate anything else, so it's most likely you're not going to be successful. Understand?
If one follows the Rambam today, will he have siyata dishmaya, like or not? Because we don't follow like that today.
Most of the people, most of the religious Jewish people, they were working people. Mm-hmm. Where's the problem? Mm-hmm. So majority is working. Only a small minority is not working. Alone in Kollel. But in a place where I go, it's it's very interesting crowd, and many people like older people, for them, what is the level of success? How many people are in Kollel? Understand? I mean, children. How many children? How many family they can support? You understand? So for them, it's like, and they still I don't know, 20 or 30 years older than me. They still working full time. You understand? They still running all of the head of gray hair. They still running to the office, finish a lane of Shabbat, did not finish. They run. You understand why? Because they have to provide for these children. So it's also children know that there is a people, and some of them in Israel, some of them in Lakewood. So part comes from Kollel, part comes from the parents. It's also it's also I give the people confidence. But most of the people are working people. Okay, so there is no contradiction with Rambam.